Hola, bienvenido. You're just in time. Come on. Hey, hola amigos. Me llamo David. That means my name's David in Spanish. Why don't you try? Say me llamo, then say your name. Mucho gusto. It's so nice to meet you. I'm happy you came to hang out with us today. Yeah, let's say hi to our friends Teddy and Brandy. Say hola Teddy. And let's say hola to Teddy's friend Brandy the dinosaur. Say hola Brandy. Man, I'm so excited. Today I want to teach you about time and counting. Yay! Well, it's really important because you have to be able to count so that way you know how to read the clock. So they kind of work together. I have a clock here. So you can see it has all the different numbers and goes all the way to 12. Well, I got something special for you. Why don't we sing a reggaeton song? Reggaeton's like hip hop, but in Spanish. Yeah, let's use that to learn how to count to 10. Okay, amigos, we're gonna learn how to count to 10 in Espanol. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. Okay, amigos. Now we learned all our numbers in Spanish. Let's try it from start to finish. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. I can count. Man, are you gonna stare at me like I'm crazy or are you gonna get in on this? I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. I can count to 10. Count to 10 in Espanol. Okay, amigos! Since today we're talking about tacos and time, I thought it'd be fun we could make construction paper tacos! Construction paper tacos, craft time tacos. Let's take a look in the craft crate! Ooh, look, that's something new. You don't have to have this, but these are so we can put our ingredients, because tacos, you know, you stuff them with stuff. And then we got a pair of scissors. Oh, look, I got a stapler in here. So that way we can close our taco when we make it. Some construction paper, a marker, some paper plates. So this is really simple. So I just brought these out so we can have somewhere where you can see what we're doing. But we're gonna make a taco and make some ingredients. So the fun part about this is we're gonna get to pretend. So this will be easy. All we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut all of our pieces into little pieces. There we go. So we have all of our ingredients here for our taco. So our plates, so I have these paper plates, and these are gonna be our tortilla. Oh man, that kind of looks like a taco. right, so smush it, boop, ba-doop. Here comes the fun part. We're gonna start stuffing our taco, just like in real life. So put a little piece of meat. And then some sour cream. Mmm, que rico. And then some cheese. So we'll kind of want to put it, I'll face it this way, kind of lay it out. That's why I made them long, so it'll stick out when we staple it together. And if you don't have a stapler, you can probably just tape it or use glue. Alrighty, and then we can fold it. Boop-boo. Oh man, that is cute. Alright, so you can have help. I don't know if tape will be better or not, but I'm gonna try this stapler. Oh no! I'm losing ingredients! That's what happens when you eat tacos and burritos anyways. All the food starts falling out. You end up having to scrape it off your plate. There we go. Look at that! Does that look yummy or what? Taco! Yay! Well, have fun making pretend tacos. Teddy? Oh, do you notice? Where did Brandy go? I don't know either. Teddy, where did Brandy go? Oh, Teddy says that Brandy goes out on adventures and she makes videos about them. How cool is that? And he said that Brandy went looking for a clock since we're talking about time and numbers today. And clock in Espanol is reloj. Yeah, reloj. Oh, check this out. This must be one of her videos. Why don't we watch?
Aventuras con Brandy, Brandy el dinosaurio. Aventuras con Brandy, Brandy, Brandy. Hola mi gente, soy Brandy.
That means, what's up my people? My name's Brandy.
Y bienvenidos a Aventuras con Brandy. Hoy buscando un reloj. I'm looking for a clock. ¿Me puedes ayudarme?
Can you help Brandy find a clock?
Sí. Okay. ¿Es esto un reloj? ¿Estás seguro? Are you sure? Ok, vamos pues. ¿Es esto un reloj? No. Ok, I keep looking. Sigo buscando. ¿Es esto un reloj? Sí. Por fin, we did it. Logicismo. Gracias mi gente. We found el reloj together. Hasta próxima.
How cool is that? What a cool adventure. And how fun going to find a clock outside. Maybe next time you're outside, you can see if you can find a clock or el reloj. Yeah, and then you can practice saying Spanish when you find one outside. You can have your own adventure. Well, we got our clock back, so why don't we learn how to tell time? On our clock, we have all the way to 12, right? And we learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then we have two other numbers. So this is 11 and Doce. Those are other numbers that we didn't learn in our song, but now you can learn them. So 11 and Doce. Muy bien. So when we're telling time, to say what time it is, we say son las, then the number. So if we try to say 3 o'clock, we would say son las. And do you remember what the number is for 3? Yeah, it's tres. So in Espanol, you would say son las tres. That has me think of a cool song. Why don't we do a salsa dance that helps us learn to tell time and is about tacos? Taco time! Guys, let's do a taco time salsa!
When my tummy starts to grumble, really going rumble, rumble, means it's time for my favorite food. Grab the beans and tortillas, queso seco and sun crema. You can eat tacos all day long. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho, taco time. Siempre tacos. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho, taco time. Siempre tacos. Have for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's guaranteed to be a winner. It's probably the world's most perfect dish. Eat with pork, beef, or chicken. Add some veggies in between them. My kid eagle is all you can say. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho, taco time. Siempre tacos. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho, taco time. Siempre tacos. Oh yeah, every hour of the day you say son las, then the number. Except 1 o'clock, which you change it by saying es la una. I know, it's a little unexpected, but hey, different languages say some things differently. That's what makes learning new things cool. Uno, dos, tres. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho, taco time. Siempre tacos. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho, taco time. Siempre tacos. Son las siete, taco time. Son las doce, taco time. Son las ocho.
Well, gracias amigos for coming to dance, sing, and learn new words in Espanol with me today. Did you have a good time? Alright, me too. Let's say adios to our friends Brandy and Teddy. Adios, Brandy and Teddy. Thanks for coming, amigos. Adios. Hola, amigos. If you had fun, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Or you can watch more videos by clicking that button over there by Teddy. Teddy, how are you moving?